Can meditation really change your reality? This intriguing question has been the subject of contemplation and research for millennia. From the ancient practices of Eastern cultures to the modern laboratories of cognitive scientists, the art of meditation has been explored and revered for its potential to transform the human experience. The secret to this transformative power may lie in a realm that is invisible to the naked eye, yet omnipresent. This realm, known as the quantum field, is the energetic underpinning of our universe. It's a vast sea of potential, a soup of charged particles, and the canvas upon which reality is painted. As we journey into the science of meditation, we will explore how this practice can connect us to the quantum field, allowing us to tap into its infinite potential and enabling us to alter our reality. This connection is not a mere hypothesis but a theory backed by research and evidence. So fasten your seatbelts as we delve into the mysteries of the quantum field and its connection to meditation. Stay tuned, because what you're about to discover might just change your perception of reality. So you may be wondering, what exactly is the quantum field? Well, let's dive right in and demystify this complex concept. The quantum field can be thought of as an infinite energetic field that blankets the entire universe. It's like a vast ocean, but instead of water, it's filled with a soup of charged particles. These particles are both positively and negatively charged subatomic entities that are constantly interacting, creating a dynamic, ever-changing electromagnetic field. Now, you might have heard of the electric universe theory. According to this theory, electricity, not gravity, is the dominant force in the universe. It's a fascinating perspective that adds another layer to our understanding of the quantum field. But how does information travel through this field? The answer lies in wavelengths. You see, wavelengths have an inverse relationship with frequency. The higher the frequency, the shorter the wavelength, and vice versa. These wavelengths carry encoded information, much like radio waves carrying a song from the station to your radio. Now here's where it gets really interesting. These encoded wavelengths form coherent standing waves, creating fractal patterns, much like ripples on a pond. These patterns are the blueprints for physical forms, carried on plasma, and imprinted into matter at the speed of light. Imagine dropping a stone into a pond and watching the ripples spread out. Now imagine those ripples carrying a blueprint that can shape matter. That's essentially how the quantum field interacts with our three-dimensional reality. So the quantum field forms the blueprint of our reality, but how can we harness its creative potential? Well, stay tuned as we explore this in the next scene. Picture this: transforming your reality, not through the slow, arduous process of manipulating physical matter, but by effortlessly altering energy itself. It might sound like a narrative from a futuristic science fiction story, but what if I told you it's not as far-fetched as it seems? The traditional approach of changing matter with matter is akin to sculpting a mountain with a chisel. It's labor-intensive, time-consuming, and limited by the physical constraints of the tools and materials. In contrast, envision influencing matter through energy as using a sophisticated control panel that can reshape the mountain with a mere press of a button. This method is not only vastly more efficient, but also transcends the limitations imposed by physical manipulation, allowing for changes that are both profound and expeditious. Now you might be wondering, how can energy change matter? Well, to understand this, we need to delve a little deeper into the quantum field. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, the quantum field is an invisible field of energy and information, or, in simpler terms, a soup of charged particles. These particles are neither matter nor energy, but both at the same time. They exist in an infinite number of possible states, until observed. It is this observation that collapses the quantum wave function and brings these particles into reality. This is where our creative potential comes into play. Through focused intention and elevated emotion, a process akin to observation, we can influence these particles. We can shift them from a state of possibility into a state of reality. This is how energy changes matter. But it's not just about influencing a single particle. It's about creating a symphony, a coherent pattern within the quantum field that reflects our desired reality. This pattern, when imprinted onto the field, begins to draw experiences and circumstances that match its vibrational frequency. This is not something that happens overnight. It requires consistent and conscious effort. It's about learning to navigate the quantum realm, understanding its language of energy, frequency, and vibration, and using this understanding to shape our reality. So, by shifting our focus from the physical world to the quantum realm, we can tap into our creative potential. But how do we make this shift? Meditation is the key to unlocking the door to the quantum field. Picture this. You're at the edge of a vast ocean, the waves rhythmically lapping at your feet. These waves represent the quantum field, an endless expanse of potentiality, waiting for you to dive in. But you stand on the edge, rooted in your identity and environment, unable to make the leap. How do we unshackle ourselves from these bindings? The answer lies in the ancient practice of meditation. Meditation is a journey inward, a voyage into the depths of our consciousness. It's a process of letting go, of releasing our attachment to the physical world and our egoic self. When we meditate, we disengage from our senses that keep us tethered to the physical world, and instead, we venture into the realm of the quantum field. Imagine stripping off your worldly identity like layers of clothing, each layer representing a part of your personality, your name, your job, your relationships, your achievements. As these layers fall away, as explained by Dr. Joe Dispenza, you become no body, no one, no thing, nowhere, in no time. You enter a state of pure consciousness, a state of being that transcends the physical world. This is the state where you connect with the quantum field. But why is this connection important? Let's take a step back and consider a fundamental truth. Your personality creates your personal reality. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions, the unique signature of your personality, shape the world around you. Each thought sends a ripple into the quantum field, affecting the soup of charged particles, influencing the wavelengths that create your reality. To change your reality, you must first change your personality. This transformation begins with meditation. As you meditate, you create a new mind, one that thinks greater than your circumstances, feels beyond your environment, and acts independent of time. You move from a state of being defined by your past to a state of creating your future. You transition from a predictable life to an exciting realm of possibilities. In this transformative process, you're not just a passive observer. You become an active creator, using your focused attention to select new potentialities from the quantum field. Every time you meditate, you lay down new neural pathways, reinforcing your new personality and its corresponding reality. You shift from the known to the unknown, from the familiar to the novel, from the predictable to the unpredictable. By consciously connecting to the quantum field through meditation, we can directly influence our reality. We become the architects of our lives, shaping our world from the realm of infinite possibilities. It's a fascinating journey, one that challenges us to transcend our limitations and explore the depths of our creative potential. And so, we circle back to the vast ocean. Equipped with the tool of meditation, you're no longer standing at the edge. You dive in, immersing yourself in the waves of the quantum field, exploring the depths of your potential, and shaping your reality. The quantum field is no longer a distant, abstract concept, but a tangible, accessible reality. Welcome to the quantum field. Your new reality awaits. Let's recap what we've discovered today. We began our journey by delving into the quantum field, an energetic soup of charged particles that serves as the fabric of our universe. This field, much like an ocean, carries waves that hold information and create our three-dimensional reality. We then explored the creative potential within this field. The traditional perspective of matter-altering matter was compared to the transformative power of energy influencing matter. We learned that our understanding of reality, often limited to the physical world we perceive, barely scratches the surface of the infinite possibilities that lie within the quantum realm. Our exploration led us to a pivotal realization. The power to change our reality is within us. We discovered how our personality, a combination of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, shapes our personal reality. And if we want to change our reality, we must start by changing our personality. This is where the transformative power of meditation comes into play. By consciously entering a state of being nobody, no one, no thing, nowhere, in no time, we can connect to the quantum field, uninhibited by our identity or environment. This connection enables us to draw from the infinite potential within the field, allowing us to transform our personality and consequently, our reality. The power to change your reality lies within you. So why not explore this potential through meditation? Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Thank you for watching.